Welcome back to Ramjet Bros. Like I said yesterday, today we're going to make the lemon meringue. Very simple, very quick. It's a 60-second method of actually just making the filling. And then it's just making the meringue and putting that on top. And it should be done once it's set in the fridge. So don't forget to like and subscribe and click that bell button so you can see our next video coming up very soon. So enjoy, guys. For the lemon meringue filling, what we'll need is half a cup of condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of melted butter, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 90 ml of lemon juice, and 1 egg yolk. What we're going to do, we're going to mix our cornstarch into our lemon juice, then we're going to mix our butter, then we're going to mix in our condensed milk, then our egg, then we're going to mix it all together to a nice even consistency, and then put it in the microwave for a minute, take it out and mix it again until it's nice and smooth. Then we're going to put it into our little containers to fill it up into these little things, and then we're going to make our meringue, put it on top, and then torch that or put it in the oven to get nice and golden meringue. After 1 minute in the microwave, some of them might not look so pretty, but once they're filled, it really doesn't matter what the inside looks like. For the meringue, we got 2 egg whites. I put in a pinch of cream of tartar. Then I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of sugar, but I'm only going to put it once we get our mixture nice and frothy. Then we're going to whip it up to a nice thick, stiff peak, and then we can use that to pipe on top of our And there you have it, quick and easy lemon meringue pie. Please enjoy, like, subscribe, hit that bell button to see the next video. And please comment, let us know what else you'd like us to teach you how to make. Enjoy, guys.